Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chinoyelum, aka Simply Noni, and in this channel we'll talk about things natural hair related, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, DIYs, and a lot of other things. If you like the sound of that, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So in today's video, it has been highly requested. The last time I posted video about rice water on an 4C low porosity hair. If you have a low porosity hair, you will know that whenever you use rice water, it dries out your hair. It makes your hair act like a sponge or straw. It gives you that straw look, so it makes it difficult to manage. It dries out the hair, and some people will come out and be testifying, rice water grew my hair to this inch, rice water did this and that. But once you have low porosity hair and you try rice water, you'll be getting a different result. So in today's video, I uploaded video about rice water, some people asked me how I use it for low porosity hair, since I have low porosity hair. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use rice water to get a moisturized hair after on a low porosity hair. So if you like the sound of that, please keep watching. So I already have a video on how to make the rice water. So what I did now is just to warm it up a bit, because I like it to be warm while I apply it to my hair. I warm it in a pot, then I will sieve it into my applicator bottle. That's that. Then we'll start applying it to the hair. So I usually use it as a pre-poo before I wash my hair. I use it as a pre-poo before I wash my hair. So while I'm applying it, I try to detangle my hair using my finger, my hand to slightly detangle my hair, and so that it doesn't tangle up while I'm washing the hair. So I use the rice water as a pre-poo to detangle my hair. That's what I am doing now. Just you can see the way I'm doing it. So try to make sure you get all the knots, everything that is tangled out of the hair. You can use your hand to detangle it. Then apply the rice water from the roots to the tip of your hair, making sure that it circulates throughout the entire hair strand. That is what I'm doing. You can see the way I'm doing it. Why I'm pressing it in is for the water to enter the hair. You can see that's how low porosity hair acts. When you apply water, it takes time to absorb water. So I press the rice water in by using my hand to massage the hair. Then after which I will just twist that part up and continue on another session. So you want to make sure everything is well saturated and well detangled in the process. If you want, you can add oil to the rice water, but I didn't add oil to it because I'm going to wash my hair immediately, and my shampoo, my DIY aloevera shampoo, black soap that I made, has a lot of oil, so it will put moisture back into the hair when I start washing the hair. I will leave the link of the shampoo in the description box if you want to see how I make my own shampoo at home. So now we are done. We'll just use a nylon bag to cover the hair. Cover the hair for like 15 to 30 minutes. Then we'll now get to the shower to wash out the rice water. You can see the hair is looking very dry now. This is how this is what it does to low porosity hair. It makes the hair looks very dry and dull. So this is the hair. Now we are going to be washing the hair with the aloevera, the African black soap shampoo that I made at home. I will leave the link of the shampoo, as I said before, in the description box, so you can go check it out if you want to follow my method. So I just wash out the hair, scrubbing the hair thoroughly from the roots to the scrub the hair thoroughly with the tip of your finger, and twist it up. I usually wash my hair in twists, but I decided to lose it today just because I want you guys to see how my hair is truly reacting to the rice water that we just used. you'll be able to see how the thing is, how the hair is, and the real true nature of the hair. So I just wash out my hair, wash out, scrubbing all the area, the edges, the scalp, my scalp, and then this shampoo gives me a very good cleanse whenever I use it. In fact, it's the only shampoo I use 90% of the time. So after that, we'll apply our deep conditioner. The link to the deep conditioner will also be in the description box. I made it at home. This is what I use whenever I use rice water. This is how I try to revive my hair back whenever I use rice water. So apply the deep conditioner, and we steam it up the same way we did with the rice water for like 30 minutes to 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. So you can carry as much as you can. You can carry more than that if you want, but I just carried mine for like 30 minutes. Then I rinsed the deep conditioner out again. So after that, what the next thing I usually do is I usually apply my aloevera oil to my hair immediately after I finish washing the hair. Immediately after I finish washing the hair, I use my aloevera oil. It is also the recipe for this aloevera oil is also on my channel. I will also leave the link in the description box. I will just apply the oil, then I will just detangle the hair more, and then make sure I apply it on a very wet hair so that those water does not get out, and it will help to seal in the moisture back into the hair. So I just apply the oil and detangle the hair and twist it up. I'm doing a jumbo twist, not really something super neat, super fine, but it's just a way of helping to seal in that moisture and for the hair not to shrink. That is exactly what I'm doing now. You can see that the hair is shiny, super shiny, and super strong. So what rice water does to the hair, it will strengthen your hair. And if you want to know how I made the rice water, as I said, the link will be in the description box, where I explained how rice water works and what benefit it gives to the hair. This is the rice water, the Yahoo women style that I use. It's not the regular rice water. This is how I do it. You can see the way it is. As you can see, the hair is not super dry as some people used to complain that rice water does this and that to their hair. This is how I've been using rice water on my hair. So what I normally do is after twisting up, after 2 days, like, I will just take my aloe vera leave-in conditioner and sprinkle on the hair and re-moisturize the hair, whereby this will now make the hair super soft and super juicy. So that is how you can use rice water on your hair. This video has been long time coming. I promised I was going to give you guys update on the rice water, as I said, but I've been very busy with stuffs and I've not been able to film the video so that you guys can see. So I decided to do it today. I'm sorry it took so much time to come, but it is here now. So this is what the hair looks like after the rice water treatment. Just twist the hair up, apply the oil, twist the hair up, and everything is settled down. Then most time, usually what I usually do when I finish twisting the hair up, I will wear my nylon bag, or I will wear a steaming cap, or I will use my nylon bag to still cover my hair again, to allow the oil to use heat to allow the oil to penetrate into the hair and the hair, and keep it further moisturized. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do give it a try and tell me how your hair responded to it. Rice water has been used by the Yahoo women to grow their hair long and retain length. It's not just about growing the hair. The main purpose is to retain length, because it make your hair not to break. So it will help to make your hair not to break. So it will help that is retaining. And when you retain length, your hair grows. But if your hair keeps cutting, there's no way you're going to retain length, and there is no way your hair will grow. It might be growing, but you feel it's not growing because it keeps breaking off. So this rice water recipe is very okay and very, as in, good. If you follow this step that are used in this video, I'm sure you will not have any problem using rice water on your 4C, on your low porosity, whether 4C, 4A, 4B, 3A, but any low porosity hair. If you follow this process or this step that I took to use this rice water, I'm sure you will not have problem using rice water on your hair again. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not seen a video on how I make the rice water that I use in this video, I will leave it in I will leave it on the screen here, and I will leave the link in the description box so that you go and watch how I make the rice water that I use. The only thing I do differently is I don't keep the rice water for 20 something days to ferment before I will use it. I leave maximum of 3 days, minimum of 24 hours before I use it. I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment on the comment section, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.